Hey there, my name is Andre. And I want to thank you for watching this video. If you have searched for a review of TopDogsRotator, I'm glad you found this video. Keep watching. This is my quick review of the TopDogsRotator website, and so far, I've been very satisfied with it. I joined TopDogsRotator as a free member at first and after a month, decided to upgrade to Pack 1, which cost me $47 for lifetime. I did this because this particular pack would offer me 200,000 hits to be distributed to the links I park under its infinite rotator. Adding to that, 2,000 hits a month for life. That's quite cool considering the fact that 200,000 is hard to use up at one go. So far, the experience of having hits at my disposal has been exciting as it gives my websites leverage and more eyeballs to them. Not only you get these hits, you are also given 20 micro ads to be placed at the top right-hand corner of each link you have placed in the rotator. The FAQ page will explain more. Once you have set up these small text ads, watch the hits increase in proportion to your links in your rotator. One of the advantages of TopDogs is that you can even put your other rotators within the rotator, in addition to other co-op programs that you have already signed up with. With multiple links allowed, you can just go crazy with it. The TopDogsRotator link can be used on other sites as well. So it's a win-win situation. The only thing is that some links like Warrior Plus or JVZoo links don't seem to display within the rotator, but they get good clicks from placing them on the micro ads. I've tracked and traced them, so yeah, it works, so that shouldn't be a great concern. All in all, you're getting one of the best non-intrusive website blasters to across 317 websites that the owners of TopDogs are partnering with. It's a no-brainer. In my opinion, upgrading is the best option to get those links and sites seen. No regrets from me. As of the date of this review, I've already made $88.20 in affiliate commissions. Promoting this really pays off and covers your initial investment. Promote ethically. Here's a hint. You can promote your TopDogs affiliate link within this program itself. I hope you've gained more insight into TopDogsRotator, and if you are interested to join, click on my link below and start as a free member and decide later to upgrade. All the best. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and look out for more reviews like this.